welcome back to Pit Cruise. Today we'll be working on my Nana's pickup truck, 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, baby.
Woo! What are we doing?
We're gonna be changing the oils, the oil indicator.
So she's got an error code, so we're gonna be changing out this oil pressure sensor switch, and after we're done with that, we're gonna do routine maintenance, which is an oil change. Come on, dude, oil change and filter. So, common issue with these Rams, this one's a 2016 oil pressure sensor switch. It's going to be located passenger side. You could access it right from the top. That guy right down here. You can see where I'm pointing to. If you look below it, you got your oil filter right under it. So easier to access it from engine bay than crawling under it for now. And I'll show you what's going on inside the cabin.
All right, so now you can see on our oil pressure thing, engine oil pressure sensor switch range performance. So
running a diagnostic scan with our OBD2 scanner, it's given us a P0521 code, which is an engine oil pressure sensor range performance. So that's where we're going to go ahead and swap out that switch.
And if you see right here, it says control temperature.
So oil pressure on the instrument cluster is reading 24 psi. This truck just took over an hour drive to get here. Should be reading probably between 25 to 30, so it looks a little low on the oil pressure switch. So we're going to see what it reads after we swap it out. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Let's get to it. All right, so I got Joseph set up here. We have a 27 millimeter deep socket going over that oil pressure switch. We removed that quick connector there. Small extension going in. And didn't take much to break it loose, so it wasn't very tight at all. We'll see how deep it's threaded in.
I think you can take it out by hand now.
Okay, let's pop the socket off. You want to hold the camera for me?
Sure.
Let's see if I can reach it from here. And a little bit of oil's dripping out. But this is our guy here. So we'll take a look at this compared to the one on the bench. Put the new one in, see what it does.
Alright, so this is a 25 millimeter socket wrench.
27 millimeter.
And small extension and
Socket wrench.
And this big, whatever it is.
That's our new sensor that we're going to pop in. So Daddy's going to get it threaded. You'll tighten it up and we'll reconnect it. And plug, you just push it on and off. Very simple. You can see the sensor slides right into our deep socket and gives enough room. Looking at the old tip compared to the new, it was threaded, I would say a little more than halfway, and there wasn't much pressure taking it out, so we're not going to crush it when we put it back in. So we're going to start installing this sensor by hand.
Sorry.
Feels nice and secure there. And we are in.
Is that where you cut your hand?
Yeah, I cut my hand below. It's all right. Okay. I'm just going to get the connector back on and we're good to go. Start it up and check it out. So, let's see where the connector is dropped. See it here. Right. Okay, connector's back on. I did move this radiator hose, so I'm just going to pop it back. And that's how simple it is to do what?
To fix the regulator.
The regulator, that's the oil pressure switch.
The oil pressure switch.
Let's start it up and see what it's reading now. New sensor is in. We're going to check what the truck is reading now. Go ahead, bud. Start it up.
1, 2.
Good job. All right, so after changing the oil pressure sensor switch and also doing an oil change, oil pressure is reading 52 psi here on the dashboard. Check engine light. After the truck runs about 40 to 60 miles, it should clear itself. What I'm going to do right now is on the OBD2, we are erasing the codes, clearing the check engine light, and then if there's any further faults, it'll throw check engine light again.